Scene 1. The scathing critic meet Raghav Chaddha, a prominent face of the Aam Aadmi Party. In a fiery speech last year, he tore into the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, calling them corrupt and out of touch with citizens. Scene 2. The accusations lambasting BJP's handling of crucial issues like healthcare, education, and infrastructure development. Chaddha also criticized their divisive policies aimed at creating societal rifts. Scene 3. U-turn alert. Fast forward to recent news stories revealing that Raghav Chaddha has bid adieu to the AAP. He cited personal reasons and alleged internal conflicts. Scene 4. High-profile alliance. It was widely speculated that this sudden departure would result in him joining their arch-nemesis BJP. And to our surprise, Chaddha took the plunge. Scene 5. Explaining his move. Chaddha publicly stated that he wants to contribute more effectively within the system, rather than operating from outside. Critics point out his about-face raises serious questions. Scene 6. Fallout in AAP. The sudden split has exposed deeper tensions within AAP. Several key leaders have come out publicly against Chaddha's decision. Scene 7. Support from BJP. The BJP, on the other hand, welcomed Raghav Chaddha with open arms. Party officials hailed his strategic move and commitment to national progress. Scene 8. Social media backlash. The Indian public is divided over Chaddha's unexpected shift in allegiance. Many have expressed disappointment, terming it a power grab and abandonment of party principles. Scene 9. AAP's official stance. AAP's leadership has criticized Chaddha's decision, stating that joining BJP is antithetical to their founding values. Disputes within the party leadership are now public. Scene 10. Alleged undermining allegations are rising that Chaddha, during his tenure in AAP, may have conspired with BJP against their own party. An inquiry committee has been formed to investigate these claims. Scene 11. Fallout for party. AAP is grappling with a crisis situation, not only because of Chaddha's sudden exit but also due to internal infighting over his allegiance change. The party faces massive setbacks heading into key polls. Scene 12. Media coverage unpicks storylines. The news headlines covering Raghav Chaddha's resignation and decision to join BJP create endless speculation in the national press about who will benefit and how it will impact public opinion. Scene 13. Why this is a tipping point. The sudden shift from an outspoken AAP critic to a pro-BJP convert shakes up national politics. Some view Chaddha's U-turn as emblematic of disarray among opposition parties. Scene 14. How does BJP now gain? The ruling BJP sees Raghav's strategic departure from AAP and entry into their fold as a masterstroke in its quest to consolidate power, possibly even shifting local politics further right. Scene 15. An insider source paints a picture. Exclusive insights indicate Raghav Chaddha may have had his eyes on securing key cabinet positions within BJP's shadow. This could become reality due to a series of party realignments and changes. Scene 16. Who are the losers? AAP faces severe losses with senior AAP leaders divided on whether Chaddha was patriarch or Judas, marking one of their darkest moments. Support within the core party has wavered. Scene 17. AAP's new struggle with top leadership distracted. The focus lies on revamping grassroots connections and forging unity among remaining leaders to reclaim momentum from BJP. Scene 18. Chaddha's next move? Will Raghav Chaddha rise through the ranks of his new party, secure crucial posts and change history in parliament with key policy reforms, or will internal power struggles stymie progress? Scene 19. Critics argue power struggle. Skeptics question the authenticity behind Raghav Chaddha's change in allegiance, suspecting his actions now merely hide deeper motives. They believe Chaddha is no saint but a shrewd operator. Scene 20 consequences loom large. Critics argue that joining BJP after criticizing them openly tarnishes his image and discredits everything he once stood for. All of this, raising legitimate questions about the party's vision. Scene 21. Can AAP recover? After suffering this double blow, will the Aam Aadmi Party manage to rejuvenate and get back in the political spotlight, or does its core slowly erode? Scene 22. Raghav Chaddha's personal legacy. As Raghav Chaddha seeks to write his story anew with BJP, pundits recall his trailblazing stints advocating for public interests in the past. The irony that he might have become part of very system he once criticized now weighs heavily. Scene 23. India's ever-complicated politics. No other party system has such complex, fast-changing dynamics as we see in this battle for power. Chaddha's decision adds a new layer to this intricate web of coalition politics and shifting alliances. Scene 24. The real story behind it all. That's the real story behind Raghav Chaddha joining BJP after accusing them of corruption. If you found this video eye-opening or informative, hit like, subscribe to Daily Dose of India for updates on Indian politics and more exclusive insights.